Yo guys, welcome to a new update on Bitcoin. Today is the 6th of May and let's start right away. So, if we are looking at Bitcoin right now, we're looking at the daily, and as you can see, yesterday we had a hideous candle of about 10% from 39 or 40k till 35.5k. Of course, that's just looking extremely bearish. Sellers are having a lot of fun right now. They are having the control, they are holding control. And to be honest, I don't see any buyers. Like we discussed on the previous video, the buying should have happened here, but it didn't. So we just dropped right away. So where are we now at the moment? I think personally, this could be a very strong, a good level to load up on spot. I think this is an area where we could expect a bounce. The only thing that's making me a bit cautious is this drop right here. So why is that? Because the thing is, the selling here has been very, very aggressive. You can see the volume here as well as the volume here, for example. It has been a very, very strong and aggressive sell. Must say, here was the volume also very extreme, but it went up right away. Here we haven't seen that yet. It could happen. I don't think it will happen right away. If we were to make a bottom here, so a bottoming structure, let us consolidate a little bit here, accumulate a bit, and then move upwards. So something like this. That's what I've been expecting for a while now. I don't know if it will happen right away. I hope it will happen from this level. I think we are also at our value area low from the range. So it could happen. Yeah, if it happens, then this is a very good area. If it doesn't happen, then what shall happen instead of that? So this is the range low, as we discussed, the 33k area. That's range low. But the thing is, everyone is expecting the 30k to be hit right now. Everyone on Twitter, everyone in the crypto space, they are talking about bearish momentum, which it is, of course. But the thing is, with bottoms, it never looks like a bottom. So what do I mean with that? At the moment, it's not looking great to bounce from here, but we've seen this multiple times. It looks extremely bad. The PA looks very, very bearish, and the sellers are in control heavily. And then we see some kind of bullish impulse out of nowhere. For example, here we're losing a level, and then from there it just bounced extremely hard. As well as here, very aggressive selling, and then strong bounce, and an even stronger bounce to 46k. Exactly the same here. So it happens often that we push a price lower to gather the liquidity below that, to gather the liquidity below pivot points. But at the moment, I don't see why we push the price hit to here, and then from here, a very strong bounce. I don't see it's very likely at the moment. The only thing I could imagine is taking the liquidity from these lows here, and then, of course, a little bit of consolidation and then a move up. That is a possibility. Otherwise, what could happen? I think that if this doesn't hold, then we will probably go below the range low, like we discussed. They have a deviation, something like this, move up, and then up. Further up to the range high, or that's a bit beyond the range high, but it doesn't matter right now. Just the same as happened here actually. So we had a deviation above the range high, and then we went to the range low. It's just normal ranging. It's just how it works. So that is a possibility. So below the range low, deviation, and then up from there. Of course, the other possibility is just a complete crash. Lose this level, go below there, and then just go to 20k or something like that. If that happened, then sell your house and buy Bitcoin. I would not advise, no financial advice, but I would invest more in Bitcoin than I have right now. But the most bullish scenario is, of course, a bounce from here, and I could see it happen. But for that to happen, then we really have to see some buyers stepping in, and they are not stepping in as of yet. Today is Friday as well. We have a weekend. I must say it could happen. We could see a bounce on Sunday maybe. So maybe a little bit of manipulation, and then a move to 38k to punish late shorters. move to 38k and then a move further downwards. That's a possibility. And otherwise, we need to get this low, take out this high. Apologies, this high is the important high right now. Let's make that a bit darker. Yeah, so this is the high that we want to take out. If that gets taken out, then it looks like a nice bullish structure on the lower time frame. So this is a pretty important high. It took the liquidity from here. Did not take the liquidity from here, but it was the high, the lower low from, the lower high from this level. So low, downtrend, 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 downtrend. Okay, so yeah, as I said, downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Also a lower high, internal structure break, but that really doesn't matter because this was the pivot high, and then a strong drop down, and I expect maybe a move upward to make longers close their positions, and then a further move down. So let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance as well. I have that open here, I believe. So yeah, it looks not as bullish as it did. If this lows get broken, then we'll probably see a move to 39%. And why is this very bad? Well, normally we would say that if Bitcoin dominance goes down, it's good for alts. In this case, it is not. Why is that? It's because the total is absolutely shrinking. And what does that mean? It just says that market or that money is leaving the market, the crypto market in its whole. So it doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, because Bitcoin price is going down, altcoin prices are going down, Bitcoin dominance is going down, which means the liquidity or the money is going out of Bitcoin, but it's also not going into alts, as you can see in here, or you can see in a total too. Just no money going out of, no money flowing into the market right now. So just to sum it all up, Bitcoin not looking great, looking kind of bad actually. If we want to see a bounce, I think this would be a good area to see a bounce. If it doesn't bounce here, then we'll probably see, so if it doesn't bounce here, then we'll probably see a deviation below the range low, or at least a touch of the range low. And from there, I hope to see a further move upward, because I really don't want to lose this 30k level. If we lose that level, then, well, yeah, just goodbye, we go to 20k. But let's not be too bearish right now, or also not bullish. As you know, as long as the range holds, we are just ranging. As long as it not breaks down, we are not bearish. And as long as it not break up, then we are not bullish. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to answer them. Thanks.